Here's something most people don't realize: learning how to code is actually getting easier over time, not harder. Every year, new tools are created to make coding more beginner friendly. There's better tutorials, simpler frameworks, more intuitive programming languages, and smarter tools that help you debug and understand code faster. Think about it like this: years ago, developers had to memorize everything, set up complicated environments, and figure things out mostly on their own. Today, you can look up anything instantly, get step by step explanations, and even get help understanding your mistakes in real time. And this is only going to keep improving, which means if you start now, you are starting at a point where learning is more accessible than it has ever been, and it's only going to get better from here. So if you are worried about it being too hard, just understand you are learning in the easiest era of coding that has ever existed, and tomorrow it'll be even easier than today. So instead of waiting for the perfect time to start, realize realize that the tools are already in your favor. All that's left is you starting. It's never too late to start learning how to code. You are not too late, you are not too old, you are not too busy, and you are not too behind. And no, you did not miss your chance to learn how to code, because the truth is, there has never been a better time to start than right now. A lot of people think coding is something you had to start early. They think, I should have learned this in college, I'm already in another career, or tech is for geniuses. Those are the thoughts holding people back. But coding isn't like becoming a professional athlete. You don't need to start at age 5. It's a skill, just like writing, just like learning a language, and skills can be learned at any time. So, so why does it feel too late? Because when you look online, you see people making six figures, developers who've been coding for 10 plus years, and perfect portfolios and crazy projects. And you compare that to your day one. That gap feels overwhelming. But here's the reality: every single one of those people started exactly where you are right now, confused, Googling everything, not knowing what a variable is. If anything, you are early. Right now, you have free learning platforms, YouTube tutorials for literally everything, AI tools that can help explain concepts instantly, and entire communities online willing to help you. 10 to 15 years ago, none of this existed at the level it does today. Back then, learning to code was harder, slower, and more expensive. Today, today you can go from zero to building real projects from your laptop. Here's what actually matters: it's not about the fact that you haven't started earlier, it's about consistency, patience, and actually building things. You do not need a degree, perfect knowledge, or to understand everything up front. You just need to start and keep going, even when it feels confusing, because it will feel confusing. That's part of the process. not a sign that you are failing. If you are a complete beginner, here's exactly what to do. Pick one path and don't overthink it. Web development is the easiest place to start. Learn the basics: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Build small projects like a simple website, a to-do list app, or a clone of something you use. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start messy, start confused, just start. And also, here's why coding is one of the most valuable skills you can learn. Learning how to code is not just about getting a job, it's about gaining a skill that gives you leverage. Coding lets you create instead of just consume. Think about it. Every app you use, every app you use, social media, streaming platforms, websites, someone built that with code. And once you understand how to code, you can build things too. Your own websites, apps, tools, and businesses. You are no longer dependent on someone else to bring your ideas to life. You can do it yourself. But it goes deeper than that. Coding teaches you how to think. You learn problem solving, breaking big problems into smaller steps, logical logical thinking, and how to deal with frustration and keep going. These are skills that apply to everything, not just programming. And then there's opportunity. Coding is one of the few skills where you can start from zero, learn online for free, and realistically turn it into income. Whether that's getting a job, freelancing, or building your own products, it opens doors. It opens doors. So when you are learning how to code, you are not just learning syntax or writing lines of code. You are building a skill set that gives you freedom, opportunity, and the ability to create your own path. And that's exactly why starting, no matter where you are right now, is worth it. A year from now, you'll wish you started today, not because it's easy, but because it's possible. So, no, it's not too late. It's actually the perfect time to start. All right. Please remember to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads.